I'm just going to show you a quick up style that I quite often like to do if I want it to look a little bit fancier but very little effort. I just do a part on an angle like that. Keep in mind we're going to create a bun or a ponytail around about this point, so you sort of want to work to about there and then bring another part straight down towards the top of your ear. And then with all of that back section, we're just going to ponytail it up here. Okay, and now with this section in the front, I'm just going to use a tiny bit of BB foam, and I'll probably run it through my ponytail as well because we don't need a lot. It's really just to stop any flyaways throughout the day and keep the hair controlled once we've styled it. This is really just so that we don't have to use hairspray, which can be a bit drying on the hair. BB foam is loaded with moisture, so it's going to help with humidity and protect it throughout the day as well. So then what we're going to do is, some people call it a princess braid. So you just want to start with one section like that, run your finger straight backwards. I have shown this style on my YouTube channel, but you just want to loosen each section off. Don't do it too tightly. And then you pull another section in, twist, pull another section in, twist it, and remember to just keep it quite loose until you've come to that last section. And then I like to just keep twisting it back towards the ponytail and then wind it around your hairband so that we can hide that hairband later on, and bobby pin the tail in place. And then with your ponytail section, we're just going to plait that again quite loosely. I like to take my side sections underneath. It just helps this sit a little bit better when we twist it later on. This doesn't need to be too perfect because we're going to pull it out. And then just hold the ends of your plait and loosen off each little bit all the way up. And then just loosely wind it, and when you get that puffy bit, just kind of pull it and twist it all around until it sits just right, and then just start putting bobby pins in, particularly where that tail is, to hold it. And if you can feel any looser bits, just pin those as well. And as you all know, I always like my little bits around my face, just to, I feel like it softens the effect and makes it look like it's been artfully done.